Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't have work today because for some reason all the junior high schools in Yokohama are closed today. I tried to find out like why are the schools closed, and the person I asked, they don't know. I don't know. So if I find out like later on, I'll let you guys know why it's closed today, like all the junior high schools. But I have to go on the road today because my company is doing their annual health check today. Usually we have our health check in the summer, but for some reason they decided to put it on the day that we got, the only day that we got in June. They had to, ruin it by having a mandatory health check. So today you're gonna come with me. There are 3 components that make up the health check, the annual health check. We have to go to see the doctor for like 2 minutes literally, then x-ray type of thing, and then after we have to do a saliva test. I think the saliva test is like a drug test. But yeah, so that's all. No sir, that's so normal. I'm so hot. I decided to wear like a cardigan, so my armpits are always sweating and that don't look pretty, so I decided to wear like a jacket. It's actually hot and it's a little windy, so I know that later on I'm gonna be a little chilly. I'm not going home anytime soon. So, yep. I'm tired, I'm out of breath, I'm on fate. Alright, so I took like 3 trains and now I'm walking to the office. My appointment is at 1:12. I know it's 1:06 and I am 9 minutes away, so you know who's gonna be late. Almost there. I finally reached the building. So this is the building that I'm going into. Going on the 14th floor. Okay, alright, see you guys in a bit. Waiting. Ooh. Hey y'all. Okay, so let me just make sure nobody's coming in. All right, so I just finished with the checkup and all the doctor did was somebody coming in. Hey guys, as I was saying, so all the doctor did was check my heartbeat and that was it. Anyways, I'm gonna do the x-ray now. It's outside. Heading to another building now to do the saliva test. Yokohama Stadium. I just finished my drug test and I'm about to head back to the station. Why I'm creeping up on you? Now for some freeness. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food right now. Yeah. 1300. Sakuragito. Where is she? I got this book from my workplace. And I gotta be walking with it because my bag is too small to put it in. It's Yokohama Big Kitchen. This looks delicious. Although I don't know what it is. This looks like a Chinese place. Yeah. maybe. But we're going to Mangia. Yep. This is where we're eating lunch for today. I think I've eaten cheesecake here before. I don't remember how it tastes. Guys, you know that this is actually a dress. This is a dress that I turned into a top. Oh, this girl. This girl is so childish. I wasn't expecting her to be back there. Anyways, back to the food. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonton cheese. What again? I forgot the name of this.
Wonton cheese with sweet chili and
Okay.
mango sauce.
Spaghetti meatball. And what did you get?
Salmon dill alfredo.
Okay. Okay, girl.
I already put salt on it. Look at it. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is super cool. Cut into
The
it.
lighting is not so good. Oh, let me say itadakimasu, but let me say my good. Okay. Okay, look at her. I hope this is beef and not pork. But oh well. Like I I'm at a stage where if I eat pork I don't care. Because I know I've been eating pork a lot. Not deliberately, but you know.
Is it seasoned well? Is it good?
We could do like some more pepper and stuff. Cheese in the middle. We got chocolate. Cheesecake. H&M, guys. We're going in H&M. This top, does this top ring a bell?
Yes, I saw you in it in your video.
Yeah, I got it from.
I thought it was red.
Yeah, it's red. This. No, it was red. Yeah, but it's very tight though. Very tight. This girl. You like this? Yeah.
Accessories.
Okay, accessories time.
I'll come back when there's a sale.
Or buy on Shein. $1,799. Too expensive for jewelry that's gonna change color pretty soon.
That's what I have to do.
Glasses. I like these.
Nice. The bottom of your shoes like heavy here.
They're heavy.
Like it's an extra. Like, guess how much the dress is for?
How much is it? For 4,000?
4,000.
For how much is it? For okay, this and the material looks so cheap.
It's okay. And I can stay here without knowing.
Cosmo World. Cosmo World. Oh, we didn't talk about the food. The food was okay. Yeah. Dessert. Yeah, it needed more seasoning, but the appetizer was, oh, what them kids there? The appetizer was very good. Yeah, the wonton. Yeah, the sauce was very good. The cheese sauce. Yeah. So we're gonna take the Yokohama cabin cart thingy.
Should I tell your secret?
Huh?
Should I tell you your secret about the wonton cheese sauce?
Go ahead.
She wanted to drink the cheese sauce. So
because it tasted really good. The sauce was very good though. I would have, if I was at home, I would definitely would have do that. But I know a lot of people, if the sauce tastes good and you pay money, you go to eat even if you're at a restaurant. But you know, because we're black, I don't want it to think that, oh, this is how black people behave, because we have to represent for our race. I can't go and eat right now because of the wig. I have a wig girl. I gotta come back because we just eat. So yeah, it's a no-no. But this looks fun. World Porters. This girl is obsessed with these kawaii looking stuff. Stop. Come on. Come on. We don't need those stuff. Come along. Come on. That's cute. Yes, we're gonna go on these right here. Okay. Let's see. I thought this was supposed to take my temperature or something. Oh yeah, 36. Okay. This girl wanna lock me out. We got our tickets. Yeah. Ooh. Arigato. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, oh, it's moving. This is nice. Okay, arigato. Thank you. Yay, finally we made it. Look how we in a trunk. This is our view, guys. Or what the hell was that? Okay.
For dear life.
Yeah, I remember somebody was saying that if it drops in the water, something like that. But then Japan will build these stuff and be careful and all of that.
Oh my god. Okay, and we're off.
Stop that! I'm glad that it's only us in here, but oh my god, guys, if you're afraid of heights, then
Okay, this was a bad idea.
no, it wasn't. This is so cool.
Okay, wait.
That's where we're coming from.
I have to calm myself down. I need to relax. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, I need to relax.
Nice. This is perfect for like a date type of thing, date night.
Please make sure your day is not afraid of heights.
No.
I'm not gonna develop the Airbnb.
It's at a parking lot. Yokohama, guys. Yokohama, guys.
Why did I do this?
Just embrace the fear and you'll be good. Come on, look down.
Oh, that girl is standing up inside it. You missed her.
But what if I stand up and it started to... She's standing, guys. It's for real. It's true.
Yeah, when I stand up, I feel a little scared. Well, otherwise, when I sit down, I'm
This is
good.
terrifying.
Yeah.
Look at her. Living that high life.
Yo! It's a view for me.
You're my favorite view.
Aw, thank you.
That's where are we coming from? I think that building, right? But yeah, this over here. This building. That's where we coming from. That's where we had lunch. We're almost at the end. Can you imagine? 1,000 yen for just such a short ride. But not really. I'm freaking out about. Oh my god. We're almost there. I kind of want to poop my pants. No, girl. Not that bad. Embrace it. I feel like it's turning.
It is, it's going down.
Or maybe it's shaking. I wonder how they store these things at night.
I think I just hang there.
Like it just hang on the line like that. So what if like a typhoon comes?
Then they're empty. Yes.
Alright, let him feed us the, what do you call it? Yeah, we're
pulling in support, guys.
Yeah, that's Saturday translation. Near Saturday translation.
So if you're ever in the area,
Definitely check it out.
you can see in the window.
Yeah, this was very short. I'll do it again and I'll do it both ways. Because it's just too short for this price though. Way too short. Alright. And that's the end of it.
Hey, girl.
Not yet.
Please watch your step and be careful as you get off.
Okay, alright. Just like that, that's the end.
We've arrived from France.
Okay, continue. Arigato. Thank you. Yokohama. This is the JR line. I think this is the line that the train line that we just took. It's on here. Yeah. JR line. Ooh, it's chilly up here. This is nice.
Nice coffee or tea.
Yeah. Alright, it's sinking. Up here it's to be so cold in summer. But yeah, but don't think on the road for it's cold. How you know what it's gonna get. We're on the 12th floor, guys. The rooftop of Yokohama Station building.
Can you imagine them as Bella's jeans, like velvet jeans?
Okay, okay, you're giving birth.
Bella's need to come back in a step now.
You can get it. You just need to search. That's the jeep. Those are the jeans. But the soft yeah, I caught it. Why my hair? The wind is just blowing my hair all over. Jeez. Everybody looks weird with the mask. They look so different. Exactly. You have to go like this. Okay. You're Yoji. Okay. Okay guys, so we're still at the gardens. We were chatting and then we heard this song. We thought it was gunshots. Where we in Japan, we don't hear gunshots. But anyways, it's firework. That's so cool.
It's the Yokohama Port
Oh, Yokohama Port?
opening day celebration.
Really?
Yeah, that's why today's off.
That's the reason why we got today off?
Yeah, to celebrate the port opening.
What port?
The Yokohama Port opened today some years ago.
Oh my god, the
So
lighting
can't
here is
see
terrible. So the thing is, we were wondering why I was wondering why we got today off. So you're telling me why did we get today off? Because what?
I think it's Yokohama Port opening day. So this was the day that the port opened.
Okay. Alright, so I'm glad that somebody knows.
Can you see us?
No, they can't. Oh, let me turn this off. Turn. Oh, cool. A little better. But anyways, guys, but you heard us.
Fireworks, guys. Enjoy.
Okay, fireworks. Okay, but it's very low though.
I hate the sound. It's terrifying, but it's so pretty.
Let me try and get a better view, guys.
These are cute. These plants are pretty. This probably has copyright music.